Hey Santo, your time, your time, your time.
You got your time, you got your time, you got your time.
Hey Santo, your time, your time.
Know what to make. You got your time, you got your time.
Hello and welcome to week 13 of Radio Cave. Sorry there was no show last week because there was a Christmas show. Thank you everyone for taking part, and everyone was so good.
This week we are only doing a couple of features this week. There's no Mystery Voice or there's no sports or news around the world this week. We are playing more of your favourite Christmas music. We got features such as Guess the Year, which is 5 facts about random year, and Transport with Ethan, birthdays, and our weekly interview. Our guest with us here this week is Miss Gordon Hoban from Kate's Pedwell.
Let's start off today's show with Pope and Kirsty McCall with Fairy Tale of New York in radio edit version.
It was Christmas Eve, babe, in the drunk tank. An old man said to me, won't see another one. And then he sang a song, the rare old mountain dew. I turned my face away and dreamed about you. Got on a lucky one, came in 18 to 1. I've got a feeling this year's for me and you. So happy Christmas, I love you, baby. I can see a better time when all our dreams come true.
They got cars big as bars, they got rivers of gold, but the windows right through you, it's no place for the old. When you first took my hand on a cold Christmas Eve, you promised me Broadway was waiting for me. You were handsome,
You were pretty queen of New York City.
when the band finished playing, they held out for more. Sinatra was swinging, all the drunks they were singing. We kissed on the corner, then danced through the night. The boys of the NYPD choir were singing, "Go away, babe," and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. You're a bum, you're a punk,
You're an old slut and junk lying there almost dead on a drip in that bed.
you scumbag, you maggot, you cheap and you haggard. Happy Christmas, you're ours, I pray God it's our love.
The boys of the NYPD choir still singing, "Go away, babe," and the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day. I could have been someone.
Well, so could anyone. You took my dreams from me when I first found you.
I kept them with me, babe. I put them with my own. Can't make it all alone. I built my dreams around you. The boys of the NYPD choir still singing, "Go away, babe," and the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day.
is A Fairy Tale of New York by the Pogues, the radio edit version here on Radio Kaib. There is no mystery voice this week, so we are going to play you another Christmas song. This is Blue Christmas by Elvis Presley.
I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue just thinking about you. Decorations of red on a green Christmas tree won't be the same, dear, if you're not here with me. And when those blue snowflakes start falling, that's when those blue memories start calling. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas of white, but I have a blue, 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 blue Christmas. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas of white, but I have a blue, 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 blue Christmas.
That was Blue Christmas by Elvis Presley. Now we got Winter Wonderland by Amy Fatt.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is the new bird, who sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no man, but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire, to face unafraid the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Walking in a winter, walking in a winter, walking in a winter, oh wonderland.
That was Winter Wonderland by Amy Grant. Now we got the birthday.
It's your birthday, happy birthday.
Taylor Swift is 35 years old and she is a pop singer, singer and songwriter who at the age of 16 became the youngest solo artist to write and record a #1 hit on the US Hot Country Song chart with a single Our Song. She released her 4th country album, Red, in 2012. Her first pop album in 1989 came out in 2004 and again 2007. Her 6th album, Reputation, sold over 1 million copies in 4 days. She has since released multiple albums, including re-recordings of early albums. Before fame, she was raised in Presbyterian family and rode her family's quarter horses and Shetland pony as a child for a number of years. Her family lived on a Christmas tree farm. Christmas tree farm? No. She began performing in musical theatre shows at the age of 9 and moved in Nashville when she was 14 years old. Now, we got the second birthday of this week. It's Zara Larsson, a pop singer, and she's 27 years old. What? No, from Stockholm, Sweden. I've been there this summer. It was a really good place. If you see this Radio Carib Zara Larsson, you should come to UK. She's a Swedish pop singer who won the country singing competition Talang in 2008 at age 11. 11? Goodness me, I can't do that. Sang the Whitney Houston song, Greatest Love of All, to a spot in Tallinn 2008. She has one younger sister named Hannah. She began a relationship with Brian Whitaker in the summer of 2007, but they split up in 2009. Tom Walker is a rock singer, 33 years old. He lives in Glasgow, Scotland. No. I've been to watch Tom Walker last month with the script. I don't know he was from Glasgow, Scotland. 33 years old. He's a singer and a guitarist who has found a success with indie pop and rock single like Sun Goes Down, Just You and I, and Leave a Light On. His debut MP, Blessing, was released by Relentless Records in 2017. For fame, he grew up in Manchester, England, where he was influenced by artists running from Michael Jackson to RCDC. Hold on, I thought he was from Glasgow, Scotland, but he isn't. He's from Manchester, England, for some reason. No, he was from Manchester, England, Diana Dolan.
No.
Even me, Diana Dolan. I don't know that either. Oh, this is a new topic. It's about trivia. His breakout single, Leave a Light On, reached first on the French single charts and achieved platinum status in Italy. And Switzerland? No. I'm planning to be going there next year with my dad. He got engaged to his long-term girlfriend, Annie, retired in 2023. His support act is Jake Bugg and George Ezra. George Ezra? Oh, a lot of good songs there. Billie Eilish is a pop singer. She's 22 years old. And he lives in Los Angeles, Canada, apparently. American electro pop artist who gained attention as a teenager for her 2016 song Ocean Eyes. In August 2017, she released her debut EP, Don't Smile at Me, her debut album. When We All Fall Asleep, Where Do We Go, was released in March 2019. She won 5 Grammy Awards in 2020, 2 in 2021, and 2 in this year? No, 2024. She was born and raised in Los Angeles, California, and sang in the Los Angeles Children's Choirs. She won 3 MTV Video Music Awards in 2019, including Best New Artist. Her single, Bad Guy, became her first hit in the US. She had followed a vegan diet since she was 12 years old. 12 years old? Vegan diet? No. She has a dog named Sark. Sark? No, I'm not having Sark. It's in the sea. There's a Sark supposed to be in the sea, not as a pet. Her full name is Billie Eilish Pirate Bird O'Connell. She of Irish and a Scottish descent. Her parents are actors Patrick O'Connell and Maggie Baird. Her older brother is musician and producer Phineas O'Connell from the band The Slightless Sea and rapper 7am have dated Matthew Tyler Voss, later became her boyfriend. The couple announcement was split in 2020. She has begun a relationship with Jesse Rutherford in October 2020, but they broke up in May 2023. The fifth is Ralph Fiennes, and everyone don't know who's Ralph Fiennes, do they? Well, I know exactly who's Ralph Fiennes. He's a movie actor, and he is a Voldemort. Anyone know what Voldemort from Harry Potter? He's a bad guy, acting like Voldemort, and he's 61 years old on December. His birthplace is Ipswich, England. He's actor best known for his role at the Menancton Lord Voldemort, like I said earlier on in the show. In the Harry Potter film, and the portraying Nazi Captain Armand Goth in the 1993 film Schindler's in 2015. He played the character M in the James Bond film Spectre and Skyfall. His numerous other films credit including the Constant Gardener, never heard of such a thing, in Brugge, The Reader and the Red Dragon. Before fame, he was a classical trained Shakespearean actor. He began his career at the Open Air Theatre. He earned a Golden Globe nomination for Best Actor in the Motion Picture, Musical or Comedy for his role in 2014. Wes Anderson filmed The Grand Budapest Hotel. Budapest Hotel? Was it from Sweden or was it in Budapest, like hotel in England? And the answer is, it is in Budapest. It's Budapest Hotel in Budapest, Sweden. Alex Kingston had an affair with Frances Annis and later became romantically involved with Lady Amanda Harlech. From Harlech, hold on. Our sixth and final birthday for this week is Chris Kamara. He's a soccer player and he's from Middlesbrough, England. He's 66 years old. He's former English defender who had 20 years professional career, followed by a brief stint as manager of Bradford City. He became a broadcaster for Sky Sports in 1999. He started his professional career with Portsmouth in 1975 at age 18. He made a comeback at age 55, playing 2 games to Welshpool Town in 2012. He has 2 siblings, Maria and George. He married Annie Kamara in 1982. The couple has 2 sons, Ben and Jack. Associated with he and Jamie Redknapp both become commentators for Sky Sports after their retirement. That's all the birthdays this week. I hope you all had a nice birthday. The next song is Fighting Christmas by Dentry. Hope you enjoy the song.
You wanted the perfect tree, every gift wrapped up nice and neat, moments that linger in reverie. But let me just say don't need these shiny things, so leave the gifts behind. All I'll ever need is here with me, 'cause you bring Christmas to life. So cancel the schedule of busy plans and let go of all of those big demands. Let's make a memory that will last and make it today. 'Cause I don't need these shiny things, so leave the gifts behind. All I ever need is here with me, 'cause you bring Christmas to life. these shiny things. So leave the gift
is here with me, 'cause you bring Christmas to life.
That was Finding Christmas by Gentry, here on Radio Kaib. Now here's the travel feature.
Here is our travelling feature with Ethan.
Hey there, and welcome to the travel feature. We're going from Nazareth to Bethlehem. Temporarily suspended Garge because Christmas special and of course lots of the Christmas holidays to deal with. Okay, starting in Nazareth in Israeli territory itself at Central Station, take the egged service through Israel. You have to swap as many buses along the way. And once you're in Israeli and Palestinian territory, doesn't matter depending on what borders you may come across. Once you're in Bethlehem, you could just do some Christmas sightseeing. The entire trip would take you 3 hours and 16 minutes and would cost you £2 to £6. If it was the old times, it would take absolute ages. It would cost nothing. Well, the cost might be for the riders and the trunk and the mode of transport, i.e. camels or donkeys. We hope you enjoy the travel feature over the weeks. We will be back in 2025 for more places and more destinations. Our next song is That Christmassy Feeling by Johnny Cash. Enjoy. Don't worry, Garsh will be back in January. For a bit.
There's a choir outside of my house singing Silent Night. For any little thing that's gone wrong, Christmas makes it right. The children are singing Christmas carols and everybody's holding hands. We've got that Christmassy feeling again. Singing joy to the world, and here comes Santa Claus. Mama's baking turkey,
and Daddy's making popcorn balls,
and sisters hanging mistletoe.
There's goodwill to all men.
We've got that Christmassy feeling again.
There's happiness in my heart with Christmas on its way, with the family all back together again. Oh, what a happy day. I hope it snows and the north wind blows. My boy wants a little toy train. We've got that Christmassy feeling again.
Joy to the world, and here comes Santa Claus. Mama's baking turkey,
and Daddy's making popcorn balls.
Sisters hanging mistletoe.
There's goodwill to all men.
We've got that Christmassy feeling again. Joy to the world, and here comes Santa Claus. Mama's baking turkey, and Daddy's making popcorn balls. Sisters hanging mistletoe. There's goodwill to all men. We've got that Christmassy feeling again. We've got that Christmassy feeling again.
Okay, we just had Johnny Cash there with That Christmassy Feeling here on Radio Kaib. Now we are moving on to our Guess the Year feature, where we say 5 different facts about a random year.
Guess the Year.
Developer Woody. And let's start off with our first fact of this year. So today we are going to start off with a Christmassy fact for this year. I'll Be Home for Christmas was the Christmas movie, that came out in this year. And it's the American first Christmas family comedy film directed by Arlene Sanford. The plot follows as a college student who must make it from his campus in Los Angeles, California, to his family's home in Lachmos, New York, in time for Christmas dinner, in order to win his father's Porsche.
The biggest hit of this year was Too Slow by Neck.
And the song featured uncredited vocals of V of Coffee Brown. It contains a sample of Christmas Rapping by Curtis Blow and was released on January 27th of this year.
4th of September, Google came out. It was officially launched in this year by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Market Google search, which have come the most through web search engine.
Also in this year, the Eurovision Song Contest was held in Birmingham at the International Indoor Arena, and Diva by Sylvia Pick was the song, and it was a winner of 1998. The country was Israel.
It was also the year that Digital Channel BT Toys launched on 20th of September of this year. The channel of Solar was Stuart Herney.
And the biggest movie of this year was Titanic, and it was written by James Cameron and produced by James Cameron. And it's a movie with the epic romantic disaster directed, written and produced and co-edited by James Cameron, both in historical and physicalized aspects.
The next song is Best Christmas at All by Jason Stevens.
It's gonna be the best Christmas of them all this year. Everybody's gonna have a ball. Christmas tree now shining bright, and the presents all around. It's gonna be the best Christmas of them all. Well, Santa Claus is gonna be busy with Rudolph Christmas night. They'll be traveling together through all kinds of weather to make our Christmas bright. Just wait and see when the snow falls on the ground. Let there be peace and goodwill all around. You will hear the music play and everybody sing. It's gonna be the best Christmas of them all. Well, Santa Claus is gonna be busy with Rudolph Christmas night. They'll be traveling together through all kinds of weather to make our Christmas bright. It's gonna be the best Christmas of them all this year. Everybody's gonna have a ball. Christmas trees now shining bright, and the presents all around. It's gonna be the best Christmas of them all. Yeah, it's gonna be the best Christmas of them all. It's gonna be the best Christmas of them all.
best Christmas of them all by Shakin' Stevens. Now here's news around the school.
News from around the school.
Mr. Williams has failed his driving test. You have been warned. Catalan enjoyed their second session with heavy creating and recording silly sounds. Very ironic and funny. And thank you for everyone who took part in the Christmas show. After Christmas, Kingstree will be going to Bangor for Fran Wen. And then Kenrath I enjoyed going to Greenwood. There's no news around the world, apart from a Lionel's Vision line Hudson, which will come out next year. So the next song is When Christmas Comes to Town from the film The Polar Express, which turned 20 years old, which Lionel celebrated earlier this year with 2 catalogs and some new models.
I'm wishing on a star and trying to believe that even though it's far, he'll find me Christmas Eve. I guess that Santa's busy, 'cause he's never come around. I think of him when Christmas comes to town. The best time of the year, when everyone comes home with all this Christmas cheer, it's hard to be alone. Putting up the Christmas tree with friends who come around, it's so much fun when Christmas comes to town. Presents for the children, wrapped in red and green. All the things I've heard about but never really seen. No one will be sleeping on the night of Christmas Eve, hoping Santa's on his way. Presents for the children, wrapped in red and green. All the things I've heard about but never really seen. No one will be sleeping on the night of Christmas Eve, hoping Santa's on his way. When Santa's sleigh bells ring, I listen all around. The herald angels sing, I never hear a sound. And all the dreams of children, once lost, will all be found. That's all I want when Christmas comes to town. That's all I want when Christmas comes to town.
That was When Christmas Comes to Town from the movie Polar Express here on Radio Kite. Our guess year answer for this year, it was 1998, if you got that correctly. Normally, around about this time, we'll be doing the mystery voice answers, but this week there is no mystery voice, and the mystery voice will return in January. Our next song here now is Silver Bells by Rod Stewart.
Silver bells, silver bells, it's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air, there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile. And on every street corner, you hear silver bells, silver bells, it's Christmas time in the city. Oh, ring-a-ling, hear them sing. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Silver bells, silver bells, it's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Soon it will be Christmas Day.
Silver Bells by Rod Stewart. Now we got Step Into Christmas by Elton John. Enjoy.
Welcome to my Christmas song. I'd like to thank you for the year. So I'm sending you this Christmas card to say it's nice to have you here.
Okay, so we just had Step Into Christmas there by Elton John here on Radio Kybe. And now we are moving on to our interview for this week. This week is Miss Goldenhoven from King's Pedwar.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
Hello, Miss Hoban. How are you today?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Hello, Miss Hoban.
Hi, Dale.
Hello, Miss Auburn.
Hi, Ash. No?
No one.
Ah.
How many years have you worked in Kybe?
Well, I've worked here for a very long time.
Wow.
How long do you think? How many years do you think I've worked here for?
Since we started here, maybe.
So how many years would that be?
About 14, 16.
No, I've actually worked here for 26 years.
Whoa.
Yeah, long time, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Is he started around the same time as you?
Yeah, actually, I think we started the same time, so it might be 27 years, actually. You
Yeah.
might be right there.
What is your favourite thing about working in Kybe?
Well, there's only one answer to that question, I think, isn't there? And it's
Yeah.
being with you.
Yeah.
You lot, the children in school, and seeing how you grew up from coming in at a small age, and when you're 19, how much you grew up and mature. And it's lovely spending time with you all. So, the children.
Yeah. Our third question here for you today is, where is your favourite holiday destination to go to and why?
Well, I think my favourite... I've got two favourite destinations. Can I say two?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. One of them is Florida.
Yeah.
Orlando, because I love going to Disney World. Yeah. And it's always good fun and going to all the shows and the rides. Yeah. And then another holiday I like is Turkey, because I like to relax by the beach.
Is Turkey a good place to go on holiday?
It actually is, but it's very hot when I go in the summer. So sometimes it can be a little bit too hot, but it's very nice and the water's very warm.
We also heard that Max has been to Turkey as well.
Has he?
Hasn't he, boys?
Yeah.
I'll have to ask him what area he's been to.
Yeah.
Maybe I've been to the same place.
What is your favourite drink and food?
Well, that is a big question to answer because I like so many different types of foods and drink. Yeah, my favourite food, I think, chorizo pasta.
Yeah.
And to drink, I do like a Pepsi Max.
Good, yeah.
Do you like
good.
Pepsi Max?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. What's your favourite food?
Oh, mine has to be a cheeseburger with chips.
Oh, yeah, that's good too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So favourite food, boys?
Lasagna.
Lasagna. Oh, lasagna and garlic bread. You can't beat that. I'm not
No.
sure about you.
Pizza.
Pizza. What type of pizza?
Ham and pineapple.
Oh, Hawaiian. Oh, pepperoni for me.
Here's a debate now. Can you have pineapple on the pizza?
Yes.
I would say yes.
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 Yeah.
What do you guys think?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Have you got a favourite pizza, Dylan?
Ham and cheese.
Ham and cheese. But what about you, Dion?
Oh, mine has to be meat feast.
Meat feast, yeah?
Nice.
Mine's got to be pepperoni.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where did you work before Kybe?
Well, before I came to Kybe, I used to work in Liverpool. And I used to teach PE. Yeah? In
That's
Liverpool.
one thing we do here, yeah?
Yeah. So I used to teach PE to all the children, well, in 2-3 schools in Liverpool.
Yeah.
And then I taught in one school for a whole year before coming here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Have you been to any live concerts recently?
Not recently, no, can't say I have. But I have been to see Take That.
They're good, aren't they?
Yeah,
Do you like Take That?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I took my daughter to see Take That and it was very good.
What you could wish for this Christmas?
Well, this Christmas, I am looking forward to all of my family being together because I haven't. My son hasn't been with us for 5 years. So it's the first time in 5 years that he's going to be with us for Christmas. So I wish that all the family are together and we all have a lovely time and hope that everybody else does too.
Wow. Sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you all doing for Christmas?
Oh. We're Not sure yet.
Not sure yet.
Nope.
No. Will you be having Christmas dinner?
Yeah, we will.
Yeah.
Oh, and crackers.
Yep.
Yeah.
Christmas pudding.
Yeah.
I don't like
Yeah.
Christmas.
You don't like Christmas pudding, Oshan?
I'm just having Yule log.
Oh, that's a classic, isn't it?
Yes.
Yule
Christmas
log's
classic.
nice. Yeah, not everybody likes Christmas pudding, do they?
No.
No.
Would you rather work with Mr. Williams all day or work with Fiona all day?
Well, do you know what? I wouldn't mind working with either.
What will you do this Christmas?
Well, like I said earlier, I'll be spending it with my family and my grandson, who's just turned 1.
Yeah.
And yeah, just having lots of family get-togethers and lots of fun and lots of eating. Oh,
Same here.
Probably eat too much chocolate.
Same here.
Yeah.
Too many cakes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you agreeing?
Yeah. Yeah.
What else are you going to eat that's...
Oh, in my auntie's house, we're like having a buffet this year.
Buffet?
Yeah.
Oh, I do like a good buffet.
What do you want? What do you like on the buffet?
Oh, we have pork pies, sausage rolls, stuffing,
Nice.
sandwiches, pickle,
All
lot
the
of stuff.
leftovers from Christmas Day.
Yeah.
Turkey
Right.
sandwiches.
Yeah.
Turkey stuffing and cranberry sauce sandwiches.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that sounds
Nice.
good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what we'll have on our buffet as well.
Yeah.
Which song do you want to end the show with?
Well, I like a lot of different Christmas songs, but a classic is the one by Mariah Carey. Yeah, Mariah Carey.
Yeah.
What's the name of the song? Can you remember?
All I want for Christmas is you.
Oh, thanks, Ian.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you, Miss Hoban, for being our guest this week here on Radio Card.
Oh, well, thank you for having me. I've really enjoyed it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And have a lovely Christmas.
We will. And this is our final show before Christmas now. And we will see you all in January. Have a nice Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Bye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone, and a Happy New Year. And we'll see you all in January. Goodbye.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for
khi tân tổ thì đặt nhớ tràn nhớ
The Radio Time.
khi tân tổ nhớ tràn
You're listening to Radio Time.